Welcome to Neubids. Discover how to sign up to the Neubids Omni-Suite. Everything you need seamlessly integrated into one platform. Navigate to the Neubids Portal to access the Omni-Suite. To get started, click Create an Account. You can also log in with Google once the sign-up dialog opens. First, choose whether you want to use the Omni-Suite as a brand advertiser or as a media agency. Neubids accommodates both with specially adapted workflows. Secondly, you will access the two-step account registration dialog. To begin, choose an account name. The next step is crucial as it is not possible to change your preferred currency or your time zone after this point. Finally, review and accept the quality guidelines. Be sure to check the text to be aware of the guideline parameters. When ready, click Continue to move on. Under your details, enter your first and last name, your business email, and set a password. Once complete, you can click Create Account. This will send a verification email to your registered mail address. In your inbox, you will find an email with this dialog. Activate the account to access the Omni-Suite's full capabilities. Once you log in, you will see your dashboard. In this state, you can view all the features and navigate the Omni-Suite. To be able to start using the powerful ad service tools available to you, you must add funds to your account. Click on the Balance drop-down menu on the top right and click the Add Funds button. Via this dialog, you can add funds to your account. Pick from a predefined amount or enter a custom amount. Once you click Pay, you will be redirected to the checkout page. Here, enter in your email and phone number and choose a payment method that suits you. You can also save this transaction info to reuse on later payments. When ready, complete your payment. And just like that, your Neubids account is ready to help you generate and serve ads to whoever, whenever you want. Everything you need, seamlessly integrated into one platform. Get creative with Neubids today.